Hi, I'm Phil Collins and I lecture and teach jazz piano in the Waterford Institute of Technology. I'm presenting this course for complete beginners, or for those of you who may play a bit of piano but haven't really tackled the blues before. I've written it in 5 segments to be practiced over 5 days. So I'm going to need you to practice about half an hour a day for me. How I've organised the practice is to advise you to practice in 3 to 5 minute segments. So if you can stick a timer on, that's a good way of keeping yourself focused on the amount of time you're spending, and you'll know exactly how much you're getting done. The key thing is to get it all really smooth physically until you feel really comfortable with the material.